Hi everyone, welcome to Cypress tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to install Cypress step by step. It is quick and easy if you are new to automation testing. This is a great place to start. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Step 1. Download Visual Studio Code. First, we need to install the Visual Studio Code. Open the Chrome browser and search here Visual Studio Code. Click on this download, and here you can view download Visual Studio Code for Windows, n- Windows 10 and 11. I have already installed the Visual Studio, but you can install the Visual Studio from this website. So click on this Visual Studio setup, click on I accept the agreement, and then click on next. Click on next and then installed. Setup is preparing to install Visual Studio on your computer. First, this is the first step. We need to install the Visual Studio Code. And the second step, step 2, download Node.js. We need to download Node.js. Open Chrome browser and search here Node.js download. Scroll down and then click on Windows installer. You need to click on this button. I have already downloaded this setup. Here you can really completing the Visual Studio Code setup. Click on the finish. And the next step, we need to download Node.js. Click on this setup Node.js and then click on next. I have already installed, so it will ask, are you want to repair or remove? So you can easily install this Node.js by using this setup. This is the second step. Now I will show you how you can install the Cypress. First of all, you need to create the Cypress folder, Cypress test. Create this folder and then open this folder on CLI CMD, and then first close this Visual Studio Code and type here code dot. Now it will open the Visual Studio Code. We can install the Cypress from command line. Click on here view and then click on terminal. For installing the Cypress, we need to enter the command. Open the Cypress documentation. In the Cypress documentation install, click on this install Cypress, and installing the Cypress, we need to enter setup has detected, so we need to click cancel. We need to enter this command npm install cypress dash dash save dash dev. We can copy this command, and this is the step 3. Step 3, installed Cypress, and this is command for installing the Cypress. Open Visual Studio Code and enter command here, and then enter. As you can view, Cypress has been installed successfully. Now we can verify the Cypress version by using command npx cypress dash dash version. Here we can view the Cypress package version 14 and Cypress binary version 14, Electron version 33.2. And now open the Cypress by using npx Cypress open. Now it look like this is your first time using Cypress and this is the Cypress version. Now Cypress will be open. It will take some time for opening. You need to allow the access. Click on allow access. It will display just for first time when you open the Cypress. These are the words new in Cypress and this is the version. Click on continue. Now here two options are available. One, end-to-end testing. Build and test entire experience of your application from end to end to ensure each flow. And this is the component testing. Build and test your component from your design system in isolation in order to ensure each test matches your expectations. Here you can perform the end-to-end testing and component testing. First you need to configure. As you can view, the installation has been started and one folder has been created here, node underscore modules. It will take some time for installing the Cypress. Now open this documentation and here we can view the direct download option. But the recommended approach to install Cypress by npm. And these are the system requirements. Operating system Mac OS 10.15 and Linux. Same as well, we can install the Cypress on Windows 10 and above 64-bit. These are the installing Node.js and scroll down. These are the hardware. When running Cypress locally, it should run comfortably on any machine that is capable of modern web development. These are the hardware information and 2 CPU minimum to run Cypress, 1 additional CPU if video recording is enabled, and the memory required 4 GB minimum and 8 GB for longer test runs. These are the documentation available in Cypress. Now here we can view the installation is completed and these are the times for completion this Cypress installations. After this installation we can check the Cypress version. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to SK World for more testing tutorials. Don't forget to leave your question or suggestion in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.